Hey fellas, it's Bikash here. In the last few days I got a little bored with putting up absolutely academic content, so I decided to do something a little bit fun, a little bit different. It will have academic inputs, but it will be a little bit different. So for that I have somebody who is there to help me out today. You can see these ugly hands, but the face is pretty good looking. Come over.
Hi guys, I'm Momo from Green Mamo. Mainly people sometimes think that it's Green Momo. I've had so many people say it's a foundation soon to be a trust.
Yeah, works on sustainability and environment. Today's video will be a little different. What we will do is we'll put out some questions to you guys, and you can check out your IQs by answering those questions. Of course, we'll give out the answers, so you can write down in the comment section also what is the grade that you have attained, and if it's too bad, then you can lie also. That doesn't matter. Okay, so let's start with it.
No one will know about it. So, are we going to go for the ladies first tradition or the host first tradition?
Are you a lady?
I'm a human. I like it that way.
Let's go with that.
Okay.
I'll ask first.
Okay.
We'll break the tradition. So the first question is, how many months have 28 days? Quick.
Wait. All the months have 28 days.
Chalu hai na tu?
Starting with a trick question, huh?
Good.
Okay, I'll go next.
Your turn.
Who was the first woman to head a public sector bank?
Her surname and my surname matches. It's Arundhati Bhattacharya, right?
Are you relatives?
I wish I wouldn't have been here. I would have been somewhere else.
That surname is not the same as mine. Mine is Bhattacharya.
Even mine.
I don't know.
No. She was also the former chairman of State Bank of India.
What is always coming but never arrives?
For me, it's my paycheck. The answer is, I knew this answer. It's tomorrow. Yeah, I know. I've read it somewhere. It's tomorrow.
No. The whole Facebook and Instagram always flashes this thing one time or the other.
Na?
I'm lenient.
Yeah.
I'm lenient, guys. I'm lenient.
It's probably the easiest question. Where is Bose Institute?
I don't even have to think. Kolkata.
It's a public research institute which is based in Kolkata, as you said, but it's not named after Subhash Chandra Bose or Satyendranath Bose. No, it is after Acharya Jagdish Chandra Bose.
Let me ask you something from my realm. When is International Yoga Day celebrated?
Oh, it is June 21st.
Cheater!
Aren't you?
Of course. Did you guys know that if you do yoga just for 10 minutes, maybe just 5 Surya Namaskar back to back, if you can do just 5 Surya Namaskar back to back every morning, all your tension, worry, weight issues, for women if they have any period cramps, for everybody else if they're having a lot of posture issues, it is all going to get rectified.
What can one catch but cannot be thrown?
I don't know either how to catch or throw a ball.
Don't think so much, you already know the answer. Yeah.
Cold.
It's a cold, yeah.
The 2-day festival, Northeast Calling, is organized by which ministry?
For Northeast, there's one ministry that we all know about. It's donor. D.
So beautifully.
Capital,
what is
O
the
Chota, NER.
Donor?
Donor. Yeah, that is. And this works as the nodal department. Facilitates information from the central government to the northeastern states. So it is like the bridge ministry.
I like this learning session.
To extend this question, do you know the names of all the northeastern states?
Let's try.
Can you?
Let's try.
Meghalaya, Assam, Mizoram, Nagaland, Sikkim, Tripura, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur. You can use the acronym through that. I remember it's MAM and STAM.
MAM and STAM.
Yeah, and I had also posted another video on remembering techniques. I can give the link in the description. You can use that also to remember things faster. When does Government of India confer the highest women civilian honor known as the Nari Shakti Puraskars?
March 8th.
You should know it. It's also the International Women's Day.
Yes.
So
yes.
You should know it. If a plane crashes on the borders of United States and Canada, where do you bury the survivors?
Survivors are not buried.
Yeah, sadly so.
Who was the first cricketer to score 1,000 runs in an innings in any competitive match.
I know the name, but I don't know if the pronunciation is correct or not. It's Pranav Dhanawade.
Dhanawade.
I think that's the pronunciation. He's from Maharashtra. They had scored 1,465 runs for the loss of 3 wickets, and even that is a record of some kind. Is it legal for a man to marry his widow's sister?
Since he is dead, it will be very, very difficult to do so.
We're playing with a lot of dead people, huh? Survivors ka maut, widow ka maut. But
Death is the only reality in life. Who is said to be the father of Indian space program?
it is Vikram Sarabhai. He was an astronomer and a physicist. He helped develop nuclear power in India. He was also awarded with the second highest civilian honor, Padma Vibhushan. So it's my turn. Which hill has the highest peak in southern India?
Anaimudi.
पहले ये बोलिए लिस्ट में माउंट एवरेस्ट किसने डाला?
Jamini Roy was a famous
Painter.
Yes.
I remember this specifically because I used to think Jamini Roy is a female, but later on I realized, male. Very recognized because he combined the Western art and Indian art and gave it a complex rule. He was taught by Abanindranath Tagore. He was Rabindranath Tagore's nephew. The revolutionaries Ashfaqullah Khan, Ram Prasad Bismil, Roshan Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad. With which incident are they associated?
The Kakori conspiracy case, 1925. Kakori Kand. Famously known as Kakori Kand.
This was, done by the Hindustan Democratic Party. It was a train robbery that took place during the Indian independence movement. The robbery was organized by Hindustan Republican Association.
Which film launched Mr. Amitabh Bachchan as the angry young man of India?
Zanjeer. Man, I love that movie. ये पुलिस स्टेशन है, तुम्हारे बाप का घर नहीं. जब तक बैठने को ना कहा जाए, चुपचाप खड़े रहो.
It suits him. Angry young man really suits him. That image is still
Everything
there.
suits him, man. Even a suit suits him.
What was Lala Lajpat Rai, Lala Ji, also known as?
Lala Ji, as you said, also Sher-e-Punjab. He was also known as Punjab Kesari for his contribution to Indian national freedom movement. Who delivered the on-screen dialogue? Yeah, Kabira speaking. Mast naam hai.
ये बाबुराव का स्टाइल है. परेश रावल.
कितनी बार देखा.
What an amazing movie, Hera Fairy. Guys, you have not watched it? That's the next thing that you do. Hera Fairy, watch it.
Like, subscribe, and then.
The last question, and this is a serious question that I have. It's for everybody. Who is Binod?
कौन है ये नौटंकी?
Binod कौन है?
ये नौटंकी?
आज तक समझ में नहीं. Who is Binod?
I cannot even cheat on this answer because I don't know who is he.
Guys, if you know who is Binod, comment section, please. Both of us completely confused.
Fill it up. Not with Binod, but with the answer, who is Binod? Oh, I know one answer. Binod is Binod. So that's it, guys.
Had an amazing session. We had fun. We had laughter, and we learned so many things along the way.
We cheated a lot also. You guys don't do that, huh?
Please don't.
Please don't.
Guys, please like, subscribe, share it. It's a fun way to learn. And
we've got our Facebook pages, Instagram pages.
You know the YouTube channel is always there.
That is there. On top of that, we provide tuition classes also where we don't prescribe cheating. That's just for this video. But you can check that out also on our Instagram channel. And until the next video, bye-bye.
Keep supporting Simply Learning.
And Green Ammo. Ta-ta.